Hey guys, how are you doing? Crypto Marco here, and in this video we are going to talk about the Bitcoin price, the partnership of IOTA, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, and a great way to take your mind away from cryptocurrencies when they're just going down, because not everything in life is about cryptocurrencies. There are more things to worry about, so let's get into it. So as you can see, market cap unfortunately at 370 billion US dollars. Today's winner, surprisingly, Binance Coin. People are stacking up on Binance, maybe preparing for the big bull run, the big summer bull run with Bitcoin that we're having. I almost forgot. So if you enjoy the content, definitely make sure to leave this video a thumbs up and a comment down below with your Litecoin address, because among everybody who does so, I give away a small amount of Litecoin and it really helps out my channel. So thank you very much. God bless you. And as you can see, this is the current setup of Bitcoin that we have right now. So prices continue to go down. Right now, the consensus 2018 has not been treating us well. And basically, I think that we have two scenarios. So one thing that you could see is the Bitcoin going down to 6,800. I think that's like a zone, as you can see right here, 6,800, 6,900. I think this is a zone where we are going to find resistance if Bitcoin keeps going down, because I think going lower than 6,800, 900, I think right now it's kind of will be hard, not impossible, but kind of hard. But until then, I think that it doesn't look like we have a definite setup. It doesn't look like we have enough information to make the next step, because it's pretty darn, obvious when you take a look at the weekly chart, because we can definitely see that the volume has been constantly decreasing. And until we see new money coming in, until we see money getting invested into Bitcoin, I think it's really just... I like how TradingView does that. It's just too early to make a call. So right now, it's Friday, it's the weekend, go out, enjoy life, forget about cryptocurrencies if they go down. What I would do is wait patiently and then make sure, if you still have not entered cryptocurrencies, so if you're a total beginner, while cryptocurrency go down, the further it goes down, the closer it comes to 6,800, the more you invest. But this is just my personal opinion, okay? This is not financial advice. Don't invest rent money, don't invest electricity money into cryptocurrencies if you don't know what you're dealing with. Like, only invest money that you are okay with losing. So keep that in mind. I just want to make sure that everybody who's investing into crypto is really responsible. Furthermore, what's happening? So IOTA launching a partnership with Contact.io. So they're doing smart sensor data, monitor environmental conditions, and by leveraging mechanisms of distributed ledger technology, the Contact.io and IOTA solution is going to ensure that device-to-device and device-to-cloud communication of telemetry streams is encrypted and the data itself is unalterable. Very interesting concept. So those are probably stations measuring the weather, and something that could occur is, of course, in the when the technology is not decentralized, when it's not on the blockchain, that certain data gets altered, that certain data gets simply changed. And of course, a blockchain solution would be a more transparent and more decentralized way of making sure that the data is actually valid. So Contact.io has already developed a working prototype of this solution and has scheduled first commercial rollouts later this year. So looks like their partnership was being discussed a bit longer, because if they are already ready to roll this year, then it must have been, it must have been really early. Both Contact.io and IOTA are going to talk about their technology as well as the future outlook for IoT and distributed ledger technologies in a joint webinar on May 22nd. So if you want to check that out, go to Contact.io. You can sign up right here, and then you will be notified when the webinar launches. Next up, we have Bitcoin Cash fails to show its potential after the fork. What has happened? I think we don't actually need to view at the take a look at the price chart of Bitcoin Cash. But what basically happened? Actually, while we're at it, let's just take a look. Bitcoin Cash USD on Kraken. Let's do it like this. So basically, Bitcoin Cash has seen the fork implemented on the, I think it was the 15th of May. And since then, as you can see, Bitcoin has been declining. So actually, Bitcoin, I mean, not Bitcoin, but Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash has been declining for a while now. So as you can see, a lot. Basically what Bitcoin Cash bulls were probably thinking that once the update on Bitcoin Cash, on the Bitcoin Cash blockchain gets implemented, once the block size gets increased from 8 megabytes to 32 megabytes, more people will use it, more people will get into Bitcoin Cash. But right now, Bitcoin is going down, and so are all the other cryptocurrencies going down. Interestingly enough, usually when Bitcoin went down, Bitcoin Cash went up. But right now, so it used to be a negative correlation, but right now we see indirect correlation, but right now we see a direct correlation. So Bitcoin Cash is going down, and Bitcoin is also going down. So might be an interesting use case where we see that technical advancement does not equal in price action in a higher price, and just you know, it's kind of proving me with a thought that I have that like you just should not buy into like this huge FOMO. Like just take a look at this this insane pump that Bitcoin Cash was having due to the fork update, and now you can see what's pretty much happening. Furthermore, EOS is also in the attention because Isaac Oliver, blockchain investor and advisor, expects to start a bullish movement right after the launch of the mainnet of EOS, which is going to be on the 2nd of June. Is it the 2nd of June? Yes, the 2nd of June. And while EOS definitely had one of the most amazing pumps in the late history of cryptocurrencies, I don't know if we're going to see a bullish movement on the 2nd of June, because we have just seen with Bitcoin Cash, they increased their block size by a factor of 4, and they quadrupled it. I think it's what they quadrupled it, yes. And the price didn't do a lot. So just because the mainnet of EOS will be launched, I don't think that this will cause a bullish movement on the price chart. So I wouldn't get my hopes up on EOS, and I personally will definitely stay away from a cryptocurrency that is so insanely pumped like EOS right now. So if you are depressed with all the stuff that is going on with cryptocurrencies and you're just annoyed, then maybe there is a game for you out there that will put a smile on your sad face. It's called, what is it called again? It's called Pumpy Coin. And as you can see, it's a pretty fun, it looks like a pretty fun game where you're pumping coins, and then when you die, as you can see, it gets dumped. So pretty funny way of making fun of cryptocurrencies. And guys, you have to remember from time to time just to have a laugh. We get so frustrated when our cryptocurrencies don't go to the moon instantly, when stuff is not going our way. But then again, we forget that we are so blessed that we have, most of you guys who are watching my videos have shelter, have food on their table. So we're basically really crying little babies when it comes to crying about our cryptocurrencies. And life is more than cryptocurrencies. Life is all about love and giving. And sorry to become so philosophical, but bottom line is just relax and, I don't know, go outside, have fun with your kids, have fun with your loved ones, have fun with your friends, go to a bar. Don't think about tomorrow for a day. And that's also advice that I should give myself. Sometimes just tend to stress out ourselves. So Pumpy Coin, guys, Pumpy Coin, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching my video. As always, if you enjoyed the content, make sure to leave it a thumbs up and comment down below, because among everybody who's commenting, I am giving away a small amount of Litecoin every week on my channel. Next giveaway will be conducted at the beginning of next week. So today's Friday, so in the next week, I'm gonna see who will win from all of the videos I have uploaded in this week. So take great care, invest responsibly. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, guys. Don't invest too much money into it. Only invest money that you can afford to lose. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend, and God bless you. Stay healthy, and see you soon. Bye bye.